This is Lobster Bisque. I got this at the Dollar Tree. Here's your ingredient list. Lobster broth, water, and salt, heavy cream, wheat flour, sherry wine, onions, tomato puree, seafood seasonings, modified food starch, monosodium glutamate, spices, natural flavors. Give this a try. So here we go. Let's first open this can and see what disaster we've entered into. Look at that. Oh my God, you gotta look at this. That is disgusting looking. Hopefully it tastes better than it looks. Ooh. Okay, we gotta empty the contents into the pan. And add 1 can of milk. So this ought to be very interesting. 1 can of milk. Here we go. Here's the milk. Here's the milk. Add the 1 can of milk. Cats don't get no milk. You cats don't get no milk. I cleaned up your milk mess. So we do that, and we take a spoon or a stir. Knife is good. I slobbed it on the counter too. Oh, how special. Special. Alright, let's add this to this. Okay, get the last drops. Heat on counter. Alright, do not boil. Heat slowly and stir. Okay, where's my stirring spoon? Here we go. Fun. Okay, we're working on the stirring. See how bad this is. I can't really smell anything. I can't really tell if it's any good because it has no smell. Let's put in some pepper, like a little pepper in my soup. A sprinkle of salt. I can't let it boil. I just have to take it right up to that edge. I got another soup up there. Maybe if I get the ambition, if this is any good, maybe or no good, I'll dump it out and track it down. I don't know. I don't want to try it quite yet. In fact, part of me is dreading this because it's Dollar Tree. I mean, their intentions are good at Dollar Tree. I mean, they have some stuff that's really good, but then there's other stuff that's like, no. No. And I'm hoping that this isn't one of those no's and that this is surprisingly good. But there's certain things you never want to buy from Dollar Tree. Coffee. They got bags of coffee that are it's pretty bad. Some of the meat in the meat sections is not that fresh either. And cut so thin, it's like it might as well be a little steak-um instead of a ribeye steak. But, well, we're going to give this a try, see what happens. I'll try pouring some of the soup into the cup. Ooh, I saw chunks. Is that chunks of lobster? Is that chunk of surprise? Chunk of surprise? Chunk of awful? Here comes the moment of truth. I wouldn't eat this on a regular basis. I mean, it's good enough just to try it for now. But it's like, it tastes like butter. I mean, melted butter. I thought it was supposed to taste like lobster, but apparently it tastes like melted butter. I mean, it's edible. I mean, it's not spit out of your face bad. It's just not the best. Oh well, I can give it another try. Yeah. It's got overall flavor of butter. I can't really tell a lobster flavor, but I guess you pay your money, you take your chances. I mean, it's not totally throw it out and dump it down the sink, but it's just not advertised as what it's to be. Oh well. We'll roll the dice again later. This was reminding me of something while I was eating it. It's like, the texture of it is like cream of mushroom soup. It's got like those big glops in it with the soft, milky, whatever flavor, mushroomy stuff, except it doesn't look like it has mushrooms in it. Maybe it's in the ingredients, I'll have to look closer. But that's what it reminds me of, kind of like a cheap mushroom soup. Yay.